Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. In today's video, I wanted to show one of my favorite plants, that is Hosta. So as you can see on the screen, there are these beautiful blooms in white, and this hosta decided to bloom this year for me. I've had this hosta for almost 2 years now, and I got it as a gift. And it's essentially known for its foliage because it's used mostly as ground cover, but I really enjoyed this flower this year. And the flowers open up fully during the night time, and it leaves this beautiful fragrance. And also um, it requires a lot of water, so it's essential that you keep the soil moist. I've used some moss as top dressing because it helps in retaining the moisture. And this Hosta Plantagiana does not prefer sitting in direct sun, so I keep it in a spot where it gets indirect bright light. Um, and yes, by early winter the leaves fall off, and the plant is empty, and by early February or so the new shoots pop up. So before that happens, you can actually divide the plant by roots and you can have more hostas in your garden. So yes, this was the video about my Hosta Plantagiana, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel to view more such contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.